Hi guys, VST here, Tech. Welcome back on my channel guys. A very quick and dirty video. Yesterday I made a video about the battery stats bug into the latest One UI 3.0, affecting apparently Samsung S20 series, the Note 20. So if you're using One UI 3.0, then apparently you came to the bug where when you open your statistics from the settings, then you go through device care, a bit down, battery and device care, right? And then you go to battery, right? And then boom, nothing, right? Right now, of course, I have everything. You see, I have all the proper statistics since last full charge for the last 7 days, of course, which starts only from yesterday because it was only yesterday where I did fix it. But this was not available and a lot of people complained, and actually there was a way with clearing the data and the cache from the storage from the device care and also Samsung Health Manager. But hey, why should life be so complicated? We have Samsung, and Samsung are very clever guys. So what Samsung did, they pushed out as update yesterday to the device care. So it is last updated yesterday on the 4th of January this year, and they only say minor bug fixes. Well, I'm not sure, it wasn't so minor, but the very good news is that Samsung are listening, right? So guys, if you don't want to follow the old method with clearing the cache and the storage, you just can go into the Play Store. Then you need to type device care, just gonna do it for you. Device care, you see Samsung Electronics, open it, update it, and then everything is gonna be alright.
Hey, wait! So why is the device care so much important?
So the device care provides your ability to optimize your Galaxy smartphone, and it's quite easy guys. So let's just do some kind of short review for you guys. When you go here, you can see how many applications right now are running, and you can also hit the optimize now. So let's hit the optimize right now, and you can see that the phone is going to perform some checks. 5 background applications have been closed, no malware apps detected luckily, no high battery usage detected, and no app crashes. That's perfect. Hit the done, and then you're ready, right? And all good. This here kind of like all the points guys, so you have to stay to 100 here. If you hit the triggers here, you can go also to automation. You can apparently optimize this to run on a daily basis. You can also set auto restart time. So let's say you go to bed every night at the same point of time, then you probably can restart the phone. Adaptive power saving, turn power saving mode on and off automatically based on your usage pattern, so you can save power when it's not needed. Actually, this is always off. I'm not sure why. Just let's hit here adaptive power saving. It's very important. Auto scan for malware. I leave it like this. For me, that's important. I don't have some malware on my phone. Okay, so let's go back here. You have here about device care, and you can see that this is the latest version already installed. Update security engine. When you hit this button, let's see what happens here. Security engine updated. Not sure really what it does, but let's press it again. Right now it should say that the latest version is already included. This is probably the security engine that is used to do all these malware scans, alright? So you have here the battery, you have the storage, you have the memory, and you have the device protection. Well, let's start with reviewing the device protection. We hit here device protection, no threats found. You see McAfee and Samsung keep your phone safe by searching for malware and suspicious activity. Boom. You can perform this scan manually, and then you're gonna see if you're okay or you have some applications that are causing you troubles. I'm gonna stop it right now, right? For memory, when you click on the memory, then the phone is gonna let you know how much memory you still have. I have 12 gigabytes because I'm running the Snapdragon version of the Samsung S20 Plus. I have only 5.3 gigabytes available. When you press clean, then apparently the phone is gonna clean those applications that you don't need right now in your memory, freeing up some memory for you, right? So now I have a bit more memory. You can of course also specify which apps you want to be excluded from this cleaning. When you hit here the storage, you're gonna see a very nice and detailed statistics, how many images we have, how many videos, how many songs, and etc. And of course, when you click here the 3 dots, there's gonna be some options. Now in advanced, apparently you can go down and you can see more information, like I have even an SD card in my phone, alright? And then last but not least guys, when you go to battery, this is all the things that I've shown in some of the other videos. So the battery and the device care is a very important integral part of your smartphone, and I'm really happy that Samsung fixed that one guys. So again, don't forget to update. We're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. If you like the things I do guys, you might want to consider, subscribing for my channel. And with that said, VST over and bye.